M-Suite CRM customer or using another CRM powered by High Level, and you want to make sure your voicemail settings are correct. You've come to the exact right video. We're going to go ahead and get you set up, and we hope that you're an existing customer. Thank you for your loyalty. If you're a future customer, hopefully this video answers your questions and you're ready to move forward. And if you're using another CRM powered by High Level, then I hope this video helps you just as well. And if you've got any questions at all, please give us a call on our main line, 586-519-5740. Now today, we are going to go ahead and update our voicemail settings. So we're going to start on our dashboard. Of course, this is our YouTube demo account, so you're not going to see a whole lot of activity on the dashboard, but we're going to go on the left-hand navigation tree all the way to the bottom to the gear icon and hit settings. Now in settings here, first thing it's going to load, as we set up in a prior video, is our business profile, but we want to go down to phone numbers. Now in phone numbers, we're then on the very top going to go to advanced settings. Once we hit advanced settings, we're going to be able to see our voicemail and missed call text back. So that's located right here. Now, there's a couple of options that we can select here. We can go ahead and use AI voice agent. If you've got questions on that, give us a call, 586-519-5740. But today we're going to focus on traditional voicemail. So what do we want to do here? First thing we want to do is figure out what's our call timeout. So the call timeout is essentially if you don't answer within a period of time, then they're going to go ahead and leave the voicemail recording. So typically I like to do about 20 seconds. I like to max it out, give myself some time to go ahead and answer the phone. Now the next piece is we want to go ahead and upload a voicemail audio file. Now this could be one of these various types. MP3 is probably going to be the most common. And the easiest way to create this is just go ahead on your phone, record a voice note. That's going to give you something in MP3. You can also use AI tools to generate that if you don't want it to be your voice. But the easiest thing to do, record a voice note, go ahead, maybe email that to yourself, get it to your desktop, and you will be able to upload that file and get that in there. Once you do that, go ahead and hit Save Call Settings. Big blue buttons, of course, we always pay extra special attention to. They denote something important or something to take action with. Now, the last item with the voicemail to make sure that we've got it set up is down at the bottom. We can see Enabled Missed Call Text Back. This is something you want to pay attention to. If your phone number is set up and A2P verified, you, of course, can send an SMS message like we talked about in our recent videos. If you want to know more about sending a text, go ahead in our playlist, go back to that SMS video. But here, this is a neat one. This is going to be automatic. We don't have to build a custom automation. We don't have to dig into any of the more technical aspects. All we have to do is check this box here. Now, by default, it has this message. Hi, this is, now location name, that's your friendly business name from your business profile. Remember, when we set that up, we said be very clear that's going to tie into multiple areas. This is one of those areas. I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help? It's a decent little message. If you want to change it, on the very right-hand side, there is Customize in blue. You can go ahead and change that to anything you'd like it to be. And then if you want to test it, you can drop in a phone number and send a test. Once you've made the changes you'd like to make, go ahead and hit save. Now, one thing here that's kind of nice, if you have, maybe you already know your contacts because your contacts have previously dealt with you. Well, we can go ahead and instead of just hi, we can do hi. We'll put in a space. We're going to hit this tag on the upper right-hand side, go to contact, and let's do contact first name. Now, I didn't put it right where I wanted, so I'm just going to extract that and put it up there. Perfect. So now when this message comes through, let's say our contact's name is Jared. This text then automatically, without doing anything manually, upon missing their call, they're going to get the voicemail message that you've recorded and uploaded. They're going to be able to leave that voice message. And shortly thereafter, they're going to get this text. Hi, client name. So let's say Jared. Hi, Jared. This is M-Suite powered by Make You Growth. I saw that we missed your call. How can I help? right? Now we can also change this from location name, could be a username, or you may even just want to manually put in a name. Maybe you have somebody who always answers these calls, or you want to have an imaginary employee to handle these. We could do Gary, or in this case, let's do an imaginary employee. And our imaginary employee is going to be Kendra. So using that same example of our client contact first name of Jared. Hi, Jared, this is Kendra. I saw we just missed your call. How can I help? Now we went ahead and save that, and that's all we need to do. Just like that, whoever we miss their call, they'll get the voicemail, have a chance to leave their voicemail message for us, and then that missed call text back is going to fire automatically. That's your voicemail settings. It's just as easy as that. If you have any other questions, of course, you can call us at 586-519-5740. We're happy to help. And again, whether you're an existing M Suite CRM powered by Mickey Growth client, a future client, or you choose to use another system, we're here to help you out. Go ahead, give us a call. We'd be happy to assist.